If you want to use AI to map your money goals, but aren't sure where to start or how to make it actually work for you, this video will change how you think about your finances forever. And stick around, because I'm going to share something most creators don't. A crucial insight about AI tools that can make or break your financial planning, and it has nothing to do with flashy features or affiliate hype. When I first started using AI for money management, I realized the power isn't just in automation, but in how it can map out your goals with precision and flexibility. Most people treat AI like a magic black box, but the truth is, it's a tool that needs your vision and clear inputs to work best. I've worked with financial planners and tech experts who swear by these systems, and today I'll give you the framework to take control. Here's the deal. AI can take your vague money goals, like save more or retire comfortably, and turn them into a clear, step-by-step roadmap. It does this by analyzing your income, expenses, debts, and even your spending habits. But to unlock that, you need to feed it the right data and set realistic targets. Skipping this step is why most people get underwhelming results from AI financial apps. What's really cool is how AI adjusts your plan in real time. Life changes, maybe you get a bonus, or unexpected expenses hit. AI detects these changes instantly and recalculates your pathway, so you always know how to stay on track or what to tweak. This dynamic planning beats static spreadsheets or one-time budgets every time. But here's a critical insight I want you to hear. Not all AI tools are created equal. Some focus on tracking your spending without helping you map future goals. Others overload you with alerts and jargon. The best ones combine predictive analytics with personalized coaching, almost like having a financial advisor who's always available and never pushes products. I'm not selling any of these tools, so you get the honest breakdown without the usual sales pitch. When setting your goals with AI, it helps to think beyond just numbers. Consider your why. What motivates you financially? Is it security, travel, early retirement, or something else? The AI models that allow you to add these emotional factors help tailor advice that actually sticks, because motivation drives behavior. One more thing that sets AI apart is its ability to simulate different financial scenarios. Wondering how paying off debt faster affects your retirement date? Or what happens if you increase savings by 10%? AI tools can instantly show you those outcomes, making decision-making less stressful and more data-driven. If you're serious about mapping your money goals with AI, start by choosing a platform that lets you input detailed personal info, not just bank balances. The deeper the data, the smarter the advice. And keep in mind, AI isn't a crystal ball. It's a tool that amplifies your strategy. The smarter and clearer you are with your inputs, the better it guides you. To wrap up, AI has revolutionized financial planning by turning abstract money goals into actionable, adaptive roadmaps. The key is using the right tool with a clear plan and emotional context. Don't fall for flashy promises. Focus on AI's real power, clarity, flexibility, and personalization. If you found this helpful and want more honest content without hidden affiliate commissions pushing products, subscribe now. I'll keep breaking down complex topics into clear, actionable steps you can trust. Thanks for watching.